Alright, today we are installing the Ove Venice semi-frameless shower door. As you can see here, I've marked my holes, getting ready to drill them with these ceramic drill bits. So I'm drilling the 3 holes for it that I've just marked, made sure that my rail is plumb before marking my holes. And then now I've got my supervisor making sure I'm getting everything correct. I've already installed my anchors that came with the frame and installed the screws. Now I'm getting to set the glass in place. Set the foot in at the bottom, and then with the 2 screws that go through the glass and through this bar, just hand tightening the bar, sticking it up there so that I can mark for where the foot goes on the opposite wall to support this sliding rail. I'm also marking the foot that goes at the ground that's supporting the stationary piece. And on both the foot going to the wall and then the one on the floor, I'm just marking 2 edges of it so that once I pull them back out, I can place them and then mark where the holes will be drilled. So now I gotta take everything back out, drill my holes on the wall. My bit's getting hot, so I keep putting it in the water from the shower. It's just drizzling out a little bit just to kind of keep the bit cool. Putting a little bit of construction adhesive in the hole before putting the anchors in, just as an extra, but not needed. Again, I'm using the anchors that came with the shower door. And honestly, this shower door went in easier than I thought. The total process only took me about an hour and a half, and that was taking my time. So I've got the bottom foot screwed in. I've got the plate on the wall attached now. I'm putting the bar and glass back in that I already had in the first time to mark everything. Once I get the screws in to go through the glass, then I will add the little foot that's on there now. Now, what I've already done here is there's 2 slides that go into this top bar, this rail. I've already gotten both of those in there before I put it in. And then the glass door literally just sets there's a bottom slot in the groove at the bottom, and then at the top there's 2 holes, and each one of those rollers got a screw that goes right through that glass. And then there's simply a couple of bushings and nuts that go on top of it to hold everything into place. And then what you see me doing there is I've got a little wrench that comes with it that adjusts the door so that it will hit the wall flush in case something's a little out of whack. You know, something's not perfectly plumb, whether it be your wall or shower door or whatever. Now I'm putting in the seals. They go on each side of the door and up and on the glass going up against the wall. And those simply just snap on. They go on real easy. And then the hardware, again, that's very straightforward. Simply just 2 screws that go through the glass into the handle on the outside, and then the handle that goes on the inside of the shower simply just fits on top of the screws, and then there's 2 set screws that hold it into place. Very, very straightforward. After this is done, we just have a little bit of silicone to put in around the edges of the stationary glass, and then we are done. This is my first shower door to install. We picked this one up at Lowe's. I think it was about $550, somewhere in that ballpark for this particular model, and was easier to install than I thought it was going to be. I appreciate you guys joining me today, and click to subscribe, and we will see you next time.